Claro. Ahí tranquilo, quédate ahí, no te eches para atrás, no huyas para atrás. Tienes mal con la cabecera, te lo voy a quitar para que te den la cara. La vea, Alex. Usted mueve la pierna, pero tienes que tirar. Vale.
Watch his jab, Sean. Watch his jab. He's double jabbing. Watch his jab.
Sube las manos, papi.
Defend your face, babe. Voila.
Dale.
Don't let him turn you around. Don't let him turn you around. Back up before he turns you around.
Keep your hands up.
Great shot to the side, Juancho. Shot to the body right there. Good shot. Don't throw yourself.
Quédate ahí, que él entre.
Keep your hands up, Sean. Come on. Double jab.
Trabaja, muévete la mano.
Don't jump into your punch, Sean. He jumped right into that one.
Vamos, ahí.
Here we go. Good boy. Don't lunge.
Don't close your eyes. Don't close your eyes. Don't let him turn you. Don't let him turn you. Man, 3 minutes.
Get that left hand up, Sean.
Your left. Bring it up.
Okay, put him up. Keep him up, Sean.
Dale.
Come on.
Plus vite.
¿Ah?
Plus vite, Sean.
La cabecera, papi, que va después, dale.
Allez, vite.
Yo mismo como lo
Come on, Sean. Keep your eyes on him. Good boy.
Pick up your hand. Defend your face.
Dale. ¿Estás cansado ya?
Tap right hand, Sean.
Tap. You gotta tap.
Good boy.